Have you ever wondered how powerful your mind truly is? It's a question that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers for centuries. The mind's power is not merely a concept or a philosophical debate. It's a proven, tangible force, one that has the ability to shape our reality, our life, our experiences, and even our physical environment. This power is not a modern discovery. It's been celebrated throughout history by luminaries such as Mahatma Gandhi, who famously said, "A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes." This profound understanding of the mind's potential is not only embedded in ancient wisdom, but also documented in seminal works such as the Emerald Tablet and Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. These sources all converge on a singular truth. Our thoughts, our beliefs, our mental images have a profound ability to shape our reality. But how does this work? It's all about alignment. When our minds align with the universe's energetic patterns, we tap into an immense power that can transform our very existence. This video is your invitation to delve into this transformative journey, to harness the limitless power of your mind. We invite you to explore the ancient art of reprogramming your subconscious mind, empowering you to manifest the life you've always envisioned. This is not simply about achieving personal goals or acquiring material possessions. It's about a deep, fundamental transformation. It's about shifting your existence from one of passive acceptance to active creation. It's about stepping into a life where you're not merely reacting to circumstances, but shaping them. This journey is not just about understanding the power of your mind, but learning how to use it. It's about equipping yourself with practical strategies, tools, and techniques to master your mind and, as a result, master the world around you. The power to transform your existence lies within your own mind. Are you ready to unlock it? Are you ready to awaken your dormant powers and step into a life where you are the deliberate creator of your reality? The journey is about to begin. Now let's delve into the mysteries of the subconscious mind. Imagine a vast, deep ocean, its depths teeming with life forms, many unseen, many unknown. This is akin to the subconscious mind, a hidden powerhouse that influences our reality in ways we often don't realize. It's always active, always working, even when we're asleep, processing information, storing memories, and shaping our perceptions, decisions, and actions. The subconscious mind is like the silent architect of our lives, designing and building our reality based on the blueprint of our beliefs, experiences, and perceptions. It's the part of our mind that absorbs every detail of our early years, forming a complex tapestry of associations and responses that shape our behaviors, our attitudes, and ultimately, our lives. Our early programming, the lessons we learned from our parents, the experiences we had as children, the cultural and societal influences we absorbed, all these have left indelible imprints on our subconscious mind. They've shaped our beliefs about ourselves, about others, about the world, and about what we're capable of achieving. The subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It simply accepts and stores everything we feed it, whether it's a positive affirmation or a self-limiting belief. It's like fertile soil, ready to nurture and grow whatever seeds we plant in it. However, this doesn't mean that we're forever bound by the programming of our subconscious mind. While it may shape our perceptions and drive our actions, we have the power to reprogram it. We can change the blueprint it follows, rewrite the narrative it tells us, and transform the reality it helps us create. Think of it as being the director of your own life's movie. The subconscious mind is the screenplay writer, shaping the plot based on your beliefs and experiences. But you, as the director, have the power to change the script, to introduce new characters, to create new scenarios, and to steer the story in the direction you want. The subconscious mind is a hidden powerhouse that shapes your reality. But remember, you hold the power to shape it. You have the ability to unlock its potential, to harness its energy, and to use it to create a reality that aligns with your deepest desires and highest aspirations. Are you ready to rewrite the scripts of your subconscious mind? This is where your transformative journey truly begins. You see, our subconscious mind has been programmed with beliefs and perceptions that might limit our potential, and it's time to replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. First, let's identify what these limiting beliefs are. They could be thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," "I can't do this," or "I don't deserve success." These beliefs often stem from past experiences and societal conditioning, and they create a mental barrier that prevents us from reaching our true potential. So, the first step is to become aware of these limiting beliefs. Take some time to introspect and write down all the beliefs that you think are holding you back. Now that you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief based on facts or assumptions? More often than not, you'll find that these beliefs are not grounded in reality, but are mere assumptions that you've accepted as truths. The next step is to rewrite these beliefs. Replace "I'm not good enough" with "I have unique talents and abilities." Change "I can't do this" to "I can learn and grow." Swap "I don't deserve success" with "I deserve all the good things in life." The key here is to frame these beliefs in the present tense, as if they are already true. This tricks your subconscious mind into accepting these new beliefs as reality. Finally, reinforce these new beliefs through repetition and action. Repeat these empowering beliefs to yourself every day, visualize yourself living these truths, and take actions that align with these beliefs. This process of conscious repetition and practice is crucial in solidifying these beliefs in your subconscious mind. By identifying, challenging, and rewriting your limiting beliefs, you start to align your inner world with your deepest desires. This alignment then shapes your outer reality, leading to profound changes in your life. By reshaping your subconscious programming, you can open doors to a new reality. A reality where your aspirations are not just dreams, but tangible outcomes. So, let's start rewriting those scripts, shall we? Have you ever heard of the superconscious mind? This is not a realm of fantasy or fiction, but a very real and accessible dimension of your being. Imagine a place where every possibility exists, where the seeds of your greatest aspirations are waiting to sprout. This is your superconscious mind, a realm of infinite potential. In the world of psychology, the superconscious mind is often described as the wellspring of creativity, intuition, and spiritual insight. It's the part of our mind that transcends the limitations of our individual consciousness, connecting us to the universal consciousness, the cosmic network of all knowledge and potential. So, how do we tap into this realm? One effective way is through the theta state during sleep. Theta waves are slow, deep brain waves that dominate during the stages of deep relaxation and sleep. It's in the theta state that our mind is most receptive to new information and transformative insights. By intentionally programming our thoughts and intentions before sleep, we can influence our superconscious mind, planting the seeds of our desires in this fertile realm. But it's not just about nighttime rituals. We can also harness the power of the superconscious mind during our waking hours. How? Through conscious repetition and practice. By intentionally repeating new thoughts, behaviors, or skills, we engrave them into our subconscious mind. Over time, these become automatic, a part of our identity. This is the power of neuroplasticity, our brain's ability to rewire itself in response to experience. But here's the exciting part. As we reprogram our subconscious mind, we are also influencing our superconscious mind. Our repeated thoughts and actions send ripples into this universal field, aligning us with the energies and opportunities that match our intentions. This is not a quick fix or an overnight miracle. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. But as you start to tap into your superconscious mind, you'll begin to see subtle shifts in your life. Synchronicities, opportunities, insights. These are all signs that you're aligning with your superconscious mind and activating your infinite potential. The superconscious mind is your gateway to infinite potential and manifestations. So, let's dive deeper. Let's unlock this gateway and step into a world where our dreams are not just possible, but inevitable. Are you ready to shift your reality? Imagine yourself at the helm of your life, steering your destiny with the power of your mind. It's not a fantasy, but a possibility that's within your reach. You can harness the limitless potential of your mind to influence your reality, beginning today. Personal transformation is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about rewriting the script of your life, allowing you to navigate beyond the limitations of your past and move towards the life you've always envisioned. But this journey isn't just about you. It's about how your transformation can ripple outwards, positively impacting the world around you. Just as a pebble creates waves when it's thrown into a pond, your personal evolution can spark change in your relationships, your community, and even future generations. By shifting your reality, you're also reshaping the world. Your thoughts, your actions, your beliefs can inspire others, encouraging them to embark on their own transformative journeys. Recognize that your transformation is a gift, not just for yourself, but for the world. As you grow and evolve, you're also paving the way for others to follow in your footsteps. You're setting a precedent of self-empowerment, demonstrating that it's possible to break free from limiting beliefs and manifest the life of your dreams. The art of shifting your reality is a practice. It requires patience, dedication, and an unwavering belief in your potential. It's not a one-time event, but a lifelong commitment to growth and evolution. And the beautiful part is, you don't have to do it alone. You're part of a global community of seekers, all striving to unlock the power of their minds and create a better world. So, are you ready to step into this new reality? Are you ready to harness the power of your mind and become the deliberate creator of your life? Remember, this isn't about reaching a destination. It's about embracing the journey, celebrating each step forward, and recognizing the power that's been within you all along. The power has been within you all along, waiting to be unleashed. It's time to step into a life where you are the deliberate creator of your reality,